Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset smartwatch Y68. The first thing we will do is click on the central touch button of the smartwatch to enter its menu. Then, we are going to click several times on this same button until we reach the More section. Hold down the button to enter this menu. Here we will also click on the central button of the smartwatch several times until we see the Reset option. To perform this action, hold down the button for a few seconds and you will see how the smartwatch is reset. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.